Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gems of Knowledge. So I am here with another video, that is exercise 2.2 on exponents and powers chapter. So before starting the video, you know the drill, hit the subscribe button and be a part of my Gems family. I am sure you will never regret being a part of this family. Okay, so before wasting our time, let's quickly start with our video. So here the first question is given as express the following numbers in the standard form. So let me tell you that what is standard form in case of exponents and powers. Okay, so in case of exponents and powers, the standard form will be written in this way, that is k into 10 to the power of n. Okay, something into 10 to the power of n is the standard form in case of exponents and powers. Okay, so where your n is integer and your k is between 1 and 10. Okay, either it is less than or equals to, or here it is greater than or equals to. Sorry, here it is not greater, it is less than and equals to 10. Okay, both side it is, here it is greater than 1 and less than 10. Okay, k must be greater than 1 and less than 10. Okay, now we will start this. Express the following numbers in standard form is given. Okay, now what you have to do here is you need to move this point to here. Okay, and you need to write it into the standard form, k into 10 to the power of n. So after moving, it will become 8.5. Okay, so we have to move this point to this side. Okay, and first thing what we have to remember is when we are bringing this point to the right side, it will be negative. Okay, the power will be negative, and when we are moving the point to the left side, it will be positive. The power will be positive. Okay, left positive and right will be negative. You have to remember like this. L is positive, that is left will be positive and the right will always become negative. When you are moving the point to right side, it will be negative, and when you are moving the point to the left side, it will become positive. Okay, now you can see here this point is moved to the right side. Okay, this side it is moved. So what you are going to do, into multiplied by, this is 10 to the power of how many numbers you are moving here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so here it will become 10 to the power of minus 12. Okay, I hope you are understanding. When the point is moved from this part to the right side, it has been taken as minus. Okay, the power is minus here, and the numbers how much we have left here, it will be counted. Okay, then the second one, see, we have to write here, we have to take the power here, 9.42. It will become, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Here also it will become 10 to the power of minus 12. Suppose if we are bringing the point to this side, or we can even write 94.2, then the power will become 10 to the power of minus 13, because we have moved one more number. Okay, so it will become 10 to the power of minus 13. So both are correct answer. You can refer whatever you need, but the power must be correct. Okay, next you can see there is no point over here. It means the point is here now. You have to move it to this part. Okay, you are moving the point to the left side. Sorry, you are moving the point to the left side. It means your power must be positive. Okay, so it will become 10.02 into 10 to the power of, let us count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it will become 10 to the power of 13. Here I have just changed the question. Here the zeros are less in number, so I have written it as 13. The actual answer which is present in your textbook must be 10 to the power of 15 here. Okay, since I have wrote less number of zeros here, it has become 13. Okay, when there are 2 more zeros extra, then if you are moving the point to 6.02, you will definitely get 10 to the power of 15. Okay, just look at the question. There is a difference between question over here. Okay, and the difference in the question which is present in your textbook, there are difference of 2 zeros. Okay, so you are getting 10 to the power of 15 according to your textbook question, and here since I have written 2 zeros less, you are going to get it 13. Okay, then we'll move on to the next one. Here the point you have to bring it to here. It will become 8.37 into 10 to the power of, you need to just see, you need to bring the point to the right side. So how many numbers you have to leave here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So it will become 9 with a minus sign since you are moving your point to the right side. So right side it will be negative. Okay, next one. Okay, you can see the point is present here. Okay, there is no point in between, so the point is present here. Now you have to bring your point to the left side. It means the point, the power must be positive. Okay, so we will write 3.186 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 to the power of 10. Okay. Okay. Next you can see the second question which is given here. Express the following numbers in decimal form is given. Now this form, standard form has been written here and we have to convert this form into this form, that is decimal forms. Okay. Now here you can see that it is given as 3.02 into 10 to the power of minus 6. It means the decimal number is, the power is given as minus 6, 10 to the power of minus 6. So it means it is negative, means the point was moved towards the right side. Okay. Now how we will write this into this form? What we have to do? What is the power here? 10 to the power of minus 6 is given. So that much zeros we have to add into the left side. Okay, so what we will do, we will add 10 to the power of 6 is given, so we are going to add 6 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and then 3, 0, 2. This we are going to add. Now we are going to put the point here. Point will be here. Since you can see the point was present after 3. Okay, after 3 the point was there. Now the point has moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Okay, it means positive 6 digit. If the point has moved from 3.02 to 0.00003.302, it means now the point was from the right side, it has came to left side, so it will become into 10 to the power of plus 6. Plus 6 and minus 6 will be cancelled. What is remaining? It will be remaining. Okay, so this can be written as like this. Similarly, you can see the next one, 4.5 into 10 to the power of 4 is given. Okay, into 10 to the power of 4 means it is positive here. So the power was moved to the left side. Now what we have to do? We have to increase zeros over the right side. Okay, so 4, 5. Okay, we'll not put the point first. What we are going to do next? 4 zeros we are going to put. 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros we are going to put. So now our point will be from here, it should move to the 4 numbers. Okay, from it was here 4.5, so it has moved to the 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So this 0 is excluded. We are not, we don't need the 0. So our point will go from 4.5 to here 45,000 we are getting. Okay, then next one, 3 into 10 to the power of minus 8 is given. Now minus 8 is there, means our point was moved towards the right side. Now we have to move it to the left side. So 8 numbers we need here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers and 3 will be written. Okay, where will be our point now? It has to move. The point is here after 3. It has to move minus 8 numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our point will be here. Okay, and here also if you write the point here with the 0, the answer will be similar. There will be no difference into the answer. Okay, you can even write it like this, 45000.0. The answer will not be wrong. It is correct only. Okay, then the next one, here you can see it has been written as 10 to the power of 9. 1.0001 into 10 to the power of 9. So let us write this 10001 and 10 to the power of 9 is given. So let us write 9 zeros, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so now you can see the point is given after 1. We have to move it to the 9 numbers. Okay, since if the point is here, let us move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after 9 numbers, we are going to put a point. Now it is up to you. If you want to keep this 4 zeros, you can keep it. If you don't want to keep it, you can just write 10001 and 00000. Up to this number you can write it, and you can exclude this 4 zeros. Okay, next one. 58 we will write point. Instead of writing point, we need to put here 12 zeros. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 zeros. Okay, now the point was here. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the point will be here. So the last one here, it is given as 10 to the power of 6. Here, this 10 to the power of 6 doesn't mean that you need to put 6 zeros here. What you have to do is, you need to move this point to the 6 numbers next. Okay, so for the better understanding, I have done it. You need to put the 6 zeros, then you can put the point, or else you can do it like this. 3, 6, 1, 4, 9, 2 is given, right? So the point is here. Now you have to move it to 6 times. 6 numbers you have to move it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers you are getting. So you can put one more number here and your point will be here. Okay, or else you can write it like this. Let me show you. So 10 to the power of 6 is given. So let me write this 6, 3, 6, 1, 4, 9, 2 and 6 zeros, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Okay, now your point was here, 3 point. Now you have to move it to 6 points here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can put 1 point here. So your number will be like this. If this is also correct number, and if you write it only this much and exclude this 5 zeros, then also you are getting the correct answer only. Okay. Okay, so the third question you can see here, express the number appearing in the following statements in the standard form. Now again it has been given like this and we have to express this following numbers into our standard form. So this can be written as, you can see here, 1 divided by, it is given as 1 micron is equals to 1 divided by 1000000 meter. Okay, this much is given. Okay, this is 1 divided by unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh, as you can see here. Okay, so this can be written as 10 to the power of how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This can be written as 10 to the power of 6. Okay, similarly when you bring this to upper side, it will become 10 to the power of minus 6. Correct? When you bring this from denominator to numerator, it will change its sign from positive to negative, and this one will be as it is. It will become 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay, similarly you can see the second question. Charge of an electron is 0 point and this much into 16 coulombs. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to move our point from here to here. It must be written as 1.6 into 10 to the power of how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19 numbers we are crossing. Okay, since we are taking this this point to the right side, the power will be negative. Okay, so this will be the answer. Then the next you can see size of the bacteria is 0.0000005 meter is given. So what we will write, we have to move this point to here. So we are getting 5 into 10 to the power of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 10 to the power of 7, and since we are moving it to the right side, it will be negative. Next you can see size of a plant cell is 0.00001275 meter. So what we will do, 1.27 into 10 to the power of, since we are moving this point to here, how many numbers we are leaving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers we are leaving. Okay, so from left side to right side we are moving, since this will be minus. Okay, next here the thickness of the thick paper is 0.07 mm is given. Sorry, here I forgot to write the meter. Okay, next thickness of the thick paper is 0.7 mm is given. So let me write 7 into 10 to the power of, if you move this point here, it will become 10 to the power of 2 and minus, since this is moved to the right side, it will become minus, mm will be as it is. Okay, you can see the last question over here. In a stack, there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 mm. Okay, in one stack of books, there are 5 books and each book is having the thickness of 20 millimeter and 5 paper sheet, each of thickness 0.016 mm. So 5 paper sheets are there which is having 0.01 mm thickness. Each sheet is having 0.016 millimeter thickness. Now what we have to count here is what is the total thickness of the stack. So what we have to do here is we need to find out the total thickness of the 5 books. Okay, total thickness, let me write here. Total thickness of books will be equals to 5 into 20 millimeter. So how much we are getting? 5 2s are 10 and 0 will be as it is. So 100 millimeter we are getting. Okay, now we need to calculate the total thickness of papers. It will be 5 into 0.016 millimeter. So it is equals to 6 5s are 30, 0 and 3 will be carried, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8 and 5 zeros are 0 and 5 zeros is 0, point will be as it is here. So millimeter. So total thickness will be equals to 100 millimeter plus 0.080 millimeter. So we are getting the thickness as 100.080 millimeter. So this can be written as 1.00080 millimeter, that is into 10 to the power of, first it will not come. So since we are moving this point to the left side, it will be positive 10 to the power of 2. Since 2 points we are leaving, so it will become 10 to the power of 2 millimeter. Okay. So I hope the complete exercise is clear to you. If you are having any doubts regarding this, you can comment me down below. I'll definitely help you out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with another video. So till then, stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.